Hello, hello, hello. Widgets, that's what I've forgotten. I knew I've forgotten something. Just put this on. Refresh that, and they're up. That's all well and good. There we go. Right. Where was I? Oh, yes. So we're going to be fixing up the battle system just so that the things that we have, the skills that we have put in actually work. And then afterwards, we'll be looking at implementing some new builds. I've got at least, hang on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 skills for each class laid out, but a lot of them are more like 12 or 15. Now let's just think. Let's just have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, around. No, it's about 10 or so. So yeah, anywhere from 7 to 15 skills for each class. And for fuck's sake, are we still? Running into the same thing as last time. Oh. Yeah. Hang on, give me a sec. I need to sort this out. Okay, yeah, sorry about that. Thought I'd sorted something that was supposed to sort out before stream, but evidently I hadn't. Right, this battle has storm table. I think we can. Oh, the hell! I changed these. I set these with the. Fuck's sake! God, freaking damn it! Hang on. Sort these out and then. Right, on here, and then back into this scene, we can add Bubba to the... Oh, come on. Okay, Kotori, try this. Okay. Where's the spawn table? Here we go. Bucket, watermelon. When in doubt, post watermelon. Give her a bit more health. Okay, let's see if it works, and if it doesn't, I'm gonna cry. Yeah, it works. So, yeah, it's one of those really weird Godot editor things. Needs to have more, needs more health still. So currently so I think we've implemented weights. I just want to make sure that the thing, except this action line doesn't show up plus, yeah, hang on. We need sort of like a training dummy. We'll give Watermelon 1,000 health. Set all of our other stats to 1. Because I'm not planning on using Watermelon in the base game. The hell? Watermelon's killing everyone, and I set her stats to 1 for all of them, but she's one-hitting everybody. Why is she one-shotting everyone? Okay, this is just weird. I think I might have something backwards. Hi, Chaos Festival. Yeah, I'm currently trying to work out what the hell's going on. Why, if I set everyone's stats to 1, she ends up one-shotting everyone, but if I set them to 10, they're normal. Unless there's some sort of weird scaling going on with the max health. No, she's still one-shotting everybody. This is really weird. If I set her max health to 10. If I set everyone to wait. No, she is one-shotting everybody. Set the base potency to 1, maybe? Oh, here we go. Scaling of max health. That's why. Okay, but the max health was set to 10 and she still killed everyone, so... I know I should be working on, working out why everything's on, Yeah, because now you can see... Wait a minute. they're already on weight. Yeah, they're so yeah, this is scaling on max health. Okay, base potency 10. Strength, constitution, accuracy is dexterity against agility. Actually, I'm going to put this as the default. Just so we don't get any of that max health scaling thing. Equals entity ability dot dexterity equals entity ability score dot agility equals entity ability score dot intelligence. No, it's strength. Equals entity ability score dot constitution. Set these as the default, and then yeah, that should fix that. Which lets us put watermelon as have 1,000 hit points again. Let's see how we go. The hell? Okay. I set their max health to not scale off the... Perhaps it's just base. I haven't implemented the thing, but then... Oh, I don't know. I need to work out the damage calculation. Why it's being so wild. Oh, why is it still so damn long? It's taking... Right, let's get scale potency. Right. Why is it still scaling off max health? Yes, intelligence and constitution. What? Okay, so we'll set everybody to wait. Oh, here we go. So Watermelon's attacking. So the net scaling is that base potency by net scaling is... So hang on, the caster is... Who's caster? It's gotta be the Watermelon. Yes. Watermelon, come on. Oh, why is it like this? Come on, why is it so slow? Dexterity by agility, strength by constitution. Damage type blunt. Does that help? You're going to remove the breakpoint just now. And then put it back in here. Net scaling is still 10. Because for some reason it's still scaling off max health. Even though the caster, Watermelon, what's a weapon? Equipped weapon, here we go. Weapon item. Why is it max health? I specifically put it so that it scales based on the strength and dexterity, so why is it scaling off max health? Look, see here. Dexterity, agility, strength. Oops, no. Here. Dexterity, agility, strength, constitution. Unless it's the other one. Yeah, no. Dexterity, agility, strength, constitution. So what could possibly be causing it to scale off the weapon? Oh, I don't know. So this is when we estimate the damage, which is fine. Okay, Watermelon. Caster. Cast progress not unbound. Watermelon. Equipped weapon is this. It's getting a different one, isn't it? Okay. Oh, okay. Actually, I think so. The item template is going off the same thing. However, the the instance of it is not following it. So hang on, weapon instance. Of course. Of course. Why are these being exported though? They shouldn't be exported because they're nodes. This is really weird. Yeah, that should fix that. However, it's this that's being has all the exports on here. Okay, so the item import plugin does reference this class, which should be the case. Okay, now let's try it. Okay. So we can target yourself. I'm not sure if the actual healing thing works. Why are we using Ignite multiple times? Okay, so for some reason we're using skills either twice or multiple times. Ah. Also, the damage numbers aren't being shown. Okay, cast time. We need to find that on the enemies and actually show it on the bars. So... this one. This class. Right? Next skill, delay. Yeah. It would be next skill. Progress bar. Yes. So we need to need to set this property here, the fill. Wow, that model is smoke. Yeah, it is. Well, technically it's supposed to be ectoplasm, but whatever. So color. So export private color. Oh, wait, hi, very real Satan. Aftercast progress color. And then we'll also have cast progress color as well. Pink equals colors dot gold. Then if target's casting, can revert notify property list change property get revert validate property, but no. Oh, I'm gonna need to look this up. Godot set style property from code. No, that's not it. Add style box override. Here we go. Create local override for the thing with style boxes. Raw style box, get theme style box, has theme style box override. Okay. Add theme style box override, and these should not be colors. Instead, we'll have them as style boxes. Wait, we'll put this back. Progress bar color. Then bar progress bar equals target is casting. past progress color or after cast progress color. And we need a name for it as well, which is fill. It is that, isn't it? Theme property fill, lowercase, yeah. And then target dot cast progress. That progress to next action should probably be renamed to after cast progress. So it doesn't fix the whole thing about why we're using the same skill X times in a row. However, it should show us after cast. So if we go triple shot on here, okay, so the color's not being set. That's because the color hasn't been set here. And we'll wait for the watching point to come back. I don't know why it's taking so long. Let me just close a few things. Don't need Sim. Don't need Discord up. I also don't need Steam open. And also just cancel that. Oh, it's come back. Right, let's go up here. Aftercast progress color is the pink. And the cast progress color is sort of a gold. Sort of like this, except a bit lighter. No, a bit more saturated. A bit more yellow as well. Okay, save that. Right, have Shinry do his triple shot. There we go. Okay, so it doesn't do it if he's something, so it shouldn't start casting it if he's out of energy. So the ally AI is being a bit silly. It might be because once the action's been performed, we haven't set the next one. Right? Perform next action, where are you? Perform action. It's actual action performed affected by 2. Perform action there is casting symbols and then set next action. I should fix that. Also on this thing, and want to also add it so that once the aftercast is completed, I want it to stay pink. Oh. Yeah. So export private style box. Background progress color. Yeah. And this is theme overrides. Skill delay. Is it background or is it BG? It's background. Right. Then back up here, build the project so we have our new shiny new background progress color to put in. Wait for it. Oh, here we go. New Starbucks flat. That. Save that in. Let's get the see how it looks here. Yeah, it looks fine. We need to work on damage numbers now. I know for a fact that because their HP's been set to 1,000, we're not dealing 0 damage to them. So yeah, let's see, damage effect. Target dot damage of scale potency onto it here. Now there's this current health minus equals damage, and then if it's not equal approx to there, then it's equal health change, current health, max health. Yeah. So health changed. Need to control binding files this just to find out where this signal's been locked on. Here we go, on health changed. Oops. Health bar current, but okay, so that's fine. So where's the damage number on the enemy display? Here we go. Max health, set health, new health. They are being damaged, so where are the damage numbers coming from? Here we go. So it's an override on the damage. If the inflictor is not null and the inflictor is allied entity, okay. Let's have a look. This. Right, so when we damage an enemy, like now, show damage number. Okay, so damage is 0. Why is the damage 0? Because miss damage on there. If accuracy roll. Just want to see if the... So flaying misses. Scaled accuracy is 1.06, so the watermelon does hit us. Again, watermelon does hit us. True. Betel. Scaled accuracy is 0.34. That is way too low. Accuracy caster scaling is dexterity. Accuracy caster scaling is agility. Max health off max health. No, because we're attacking, so it would be dexterity off agility. Caster's Betel, isn't it? Yes. And the equipped weapon would be the null weapon, which is the fists. Should be 0.8 against these beginning enemies. That. So watermelon's stats. Fives, all the fives. No, because then that'll make it 0.6. Try that. So it should be easily beating the original first enemies you find, because it's supposed to be a tutorial. It's supposed to be trivial. And that it also prevents the game from being soft locked. Because if you've got easy enemies to beat and gain EXP and money off of, then there's always a way out of whatever thing you can put yourself into. Okay, so they're getting hit, but they're not... They're getting hit, but they're not showing the damage numbers. Accuracy roll is... Oops. Scout accuracy is 0.9. That's alright. So this is flay and attacking, okay. 0.32, which is watermelon across to Axel. I think the agility should just be low then, because we've run into the opposite thing. Regis' accuracy is 1.6, so he's always going to hit. That's great. But we're not going into... Why is this not being hit? Ally entities, null. Of course. Let's have a look at the cool stuff. Why is this miss damage? Hang on, let's try this again. Yeah, watermelon on. So it's a miss. So actually roll is true, right? Target dot damage gets scale potency caster target. So caster is the node. Target is a also yes, this is a player entity, permanent enemy entity. So these two are fine. Damage type is match weapon. Damage on there. But then the enemy entity override for damages. Oh, hang on. It's something else that's been called. It's this. Yeah, of course. Okay, that should fix things. There we go. People doing damage again. Or at least the damage numbers are showing. Okay, that's well and good. Right, let's add something as well. Public void. Pause combat. Or rather, set combat pause state. New state. And then Right. I shouldn't be doing this. It should be trying to get this in is probably going to be because this affects animation times as well. And if not is paused, set that. Public static double is paused. Private double paused. Then get paused. An arrow there, not an equal sign. And set. It's not a double, it's a boolean. Not paused, it's pause state changed. Then dupe this. Pause state changed event handler. Boolean new state. There we go. Go back to where we were. If value does not equal paused, Public override. Input. If is combat active. And at event dot is action pressed combat pause. Is set pause, set combat pause state, not is paused. Right, let's see if this pause button works. And set pause combat axis. So it's going to say in here, input map action combat pause doesn't exist. On. Yeah, given that this thing's just so unresponsive today, I think I might just call this stream a wash. Or maybe just reboot. Have a look at what the task manager says. Of course, as soon as I turn my head to do something else, it just decides that it's going to work properly. Why is Melville Idle taking up 10% of my CPU? Yes, combat pause. Spacebar. Then maybe have, I don't know, maybe tab should be the pause and then spacebar accelerates combat. Okay, I'm unpause it. I'm trying to unpause it, but that's not what's happening. Okay, also this thing needs to be set up. I select out. Try that. From here, public void that. No, it's no that. Combat dot set pause state instance set pause combat state combat dot is paused. I just want to know if it's the UI capturing something else or if it's the actual pause thing not working properly. I have an inkling that it's the latter. Yeah, I thought so. And I think I know what it is. It's because I've just put it in, it's just defaulting to 0. So the fix is there you go. And I said, there we go. Yeah, I'm probably gonna have to reboot my PC because there's just way too much stuff going on in my task manager. It's at like 80% CPU, you know, or something like 67% memory, so I just don't think that there's enough, you know, going on for there's just not enough resources free for Godot to do its thing properly. So I'm probably just gonna reboot. I've got the hiccups now. I'm probably gonna reboot and then come back afterwards for fixing up the battle system part 4.1, we'll say. So I shall hopefully see you in a few hours or a few minutes, depending on how long this thing actually happens to take. But yeah, this stream has been a bit scuffed today. So I'm going to do this one last test, and then if and or when it doesn't work, then so regardless of if it works, I'll be restarting the stream after this. That's what I meant to say. Okay, so the pausing works. However, it's not being displayed here. I click pause here. So we just need to make this into a pause function at the pause icon. So Why am I holding it? Why is it when I'm holding all the... hang on. This is an easy bug to fix. I know what it is. It's, Is it? If the action is being pressed. So if we just need to put this action just pressed. Or maybe not. Okay, so why is it being like that when it comes to the... That really is weird. Because this is an input, not the... what you call it? Okay, so it works. It works the first time, and then when I click this... Oh, I know what's happening. It's because this is focused, and when I'm going back, the button's being pressed, but then the... Yeah, so essentially it's doing that. So if I click heal, and then it works as... Yeah, okay. So it's just the debug buttons that are playing up. Okay, that's fine. Right, because this is taking a while, I'm going to cut the stream and I'll be back in hopefully 10 minutes. Because, you know, this is taking way too long to actually respond for an actual stream. So, yeah, hopefully see you in 10 minutes. Bye for now.